Hello, I'm Nakisa. I'm the founder of Love Maman Superfood. Here we make these sprouted stone ground spreads that are functional. By that I mean they are wonderful for people with GI issues, wonderful for people who are on restriction diets. And I have keto products, I have vegan, keto and paleo products, and we accommodate various dietary restrictions such as GAPS diet, Weston A. Price Foundation diet, anti-inflammatory diet, and so on and so forth. And the way that we use these products, we could use it as a topping on our ice cream or inside the croissant, or we can bake with them. We can use it on top of our toast, and any type of breakfast goodies, you can use these on top. You can also go straight from the jar. You can go and eat them, and they're very popular. You can also add, especially this one is almond ghee spread. This one you can add it to your coffee, morning coffee, and it tastes really, really good. It has goji berries in this one, so it has superfood. Here, the superfood is, this one is called pistachio ghee spread. The superfood here is cardamom and rosemary. So you have herbs and you have spices that are healing to the body. And here, this is my vegan product. This one is sunflower cinnamon spread. This one has cinnamon,